You're here with the CEO and founder of Stemnasium Learning Academy and Stemnasium Mobility Solutions Group, Tyreek DNA Evans Al Nasir, and Programming Manager for Stemnasium Learning Academy and Stemnasium Mobility Solutions Group, Maurice D. Pollard Sr. And we'd like to give you a preview today of the Fear No Bully anti-bullying app for Penwood High School, or Fear No Bully app. The screen that you see in front of you is the first screen that the user will see when they've downloaded and installed the app on their phone or mobile device. The top section allows the user to record their name. Even though the field says optional, I'm going to click in that box and record my name. After I've recorded my name, I may decide that I want to remain anonymous. And so by clicking the anonymous box, allows my name to remain anonymous. Even if I hadn't recorded my name, I could still click anonymous and the event will be recorded accordingly. The next step is to record the form of bullying. This is done by clicking the drop-down menu and making your selection. The choices are cyber, verbal, physical, sexual, or other. Once I've made my choice, the very next step is to record the location of the incident by clicking in the box. I'm going to record an address. What's really cool about this feature is using Google Maps GPS location, which is embedded in the background. It actually checks to make sure that this is a physical verifiable address to reduce the erroneous reporting. Once I've recorded the address location, I can click in the incident report and actually record the incident that took place. I was bullied. Once I've recorded the incident report, the next thing for me to do is to click the send button. Once I've clicked the send button, I'm going to get a message that says my message was sent. The other cool feature about the apps are the resources in the About page. Let's click on the resources. The resources allow the students to access resources via the internet, defined here by the www icon, or by a phone, defined by the phone icon, or by both, defined by the phone and the www icon. What this does is it allows the user to access resources outside of the school or wherever the incident is taking place. Some of the resources include Your Life, Your Choice, National Suicide Prevention Hotline, the Mobile Crisis Hotline, Delaware County Crisis Connections, Women Organized Against Rape, Domestic Abuse Project, and the Holcomb Behavioral Project. Let's see what happens when we click one of the icons for www. What happens when you click the www icon is the resource page for that particular website actually is loaded, as you see here. But if that's not one of the choices that I wanted, I just click the back button on my mobile device. And now I'm back at the resources page. Let's see what actually happens when we click the icon next to a phone number. Menu pops up and it's telling me it's making a phone call. Let's put this on speaker to verify it works. Good morning. We're just doing a test call to make sure that the app that we're developing works. Thank you.
All right, bye-bye.
And by clicking the end call, I'm right back at the resources page. Now, this is really cool and innovative because what happened with this app is that this app was actually designed by some very cool students, kind of like you guys. Let's see what happens when we click the About page. The About page gives us a full description of what the app is, who developed it, and some of the other cool features. Let's read what it says. Fear No Bully anti-bullying app for Penwood High School, or Fear No Bully app, is the innovative idea collaboration result from Senator Anthony H. Williams' office and Senator Anthony H. Williams' anti-bullying app contest. The award-winning design was done by Penwood High School students Sarah, Jacob, and Earl. The coding for the app was written by 8th grade app inventor prodigy Dominic. All of this was done under the tutelage of Programming Manager Maurice D. Pollard Sr. of STEMnasium Learning Academy and STEMnasium Mobility Solutions Group. The Fear No Bully app is a smartphone application that empowers students to instantly report bullying incidents by sending messages and text messages via their smartphones. Some of the other app features includes an anonymous email reporting service with Google Maps GPS location, customized anti-bullying tools, and push notifications to all devices in the school's network. Students also have access to educational bullying resources embedded in the app. And if we scroll down, we'll see some other information about the app, such as what device it's for, who developed it, the compatibility, whether it can be shared or not, and the version that we're currently in. So I'm going to go back to the home screen and say thank you for previewing or allowing us to show you a sample of the Fear No Bully anti-bullying app for Penwood High School, or the Fear No Bully app. Take care.